All right, so for those of you who are in the sports need, this person is for you. You can see over here that I've made $20 for in this account right now. So this platform is basically very good for everybody who is in the sports niche and then betting niche. I'm not trying to promote anything, but you know what? This is very good for you. All you need is to go to the session where it says home, and then go to this session, the campaign session. Now you can see these offers are paying you huge amount of money. So you can see over here, this platform is paying you $5 for each and every person that you refer to this platform called BetWinner. So if you get somebody to promote, or if you get somebody to sign up for that, you are going to earn $5 per each person that you refer to these people. So you can see you are approved. So I can continue to promote all these offers to my people. And one thing that you need to take very close look at is the you can see the geo section over here. This is the serviceable country where you have to promote the offers to. So you can see BetTrainer over here. Reminder, you just have to read it off about this platform and you can go ahead to promote everything. So you can see I can go ahead to review everything over here. So you can see BetTrainer video review. I can go ahead. I have so many things. I can click on show banner over here to get everything. So those of you who are in the sports niche, this is very good for you, and you can go ahead by applying to any of these offers that you wish you can promote to people. So most of these offers are from a country called Brazil. So if you get anybody from Brazil to sign up to your account, sign up from your affiliate um link, that means you're going to make a huge amount of money. So you can filter out by all over here, or you can just filter out for only African countries. So let's search for that. So let's go to the default view. This is how it looks like as a default, and you can go ahead by searching for Africa only. So let's search for only Africa. All right, so after hitting on Africa, you can see most of these offers are for African countries. So you can see all African countries, so except South Africa. So if I get somebody to create an account from any of these countries, I'm going to win $5 for that. And you can see this one will give me $3 for that. So what I need to do is, you can see it says you are approved, so I can go ahead to promote any of these offers by simple as that. So I can click on show all over here and then get my affiliate link and begin to promote. Whenever I get somebody, I'm going to get $3 for that 1xbet. If I promote 1xbet to people, I'm going to get $3 for that, and I'm going to also get 25% commission for every deposit that they are going to deposit in their account. Yes, that's what it works. So most of people are going to ask, what are the payment method over here? So if I go to this section where it says home button, and then go to just allow you to load, guys. So all right, so if I go to the payment details of this account over here, I can click on these payment details, and then you can see this account pay this platform pays you all these payment details over here. So you pay per cryptocurrency, so you can choose cryptocurrency and go to Binance, sign up for an account, and this is my USDT account being linked to that, and the minimum payout is $10 for that. So this is how you can make money online from sports betting. So what do you need to do? Right, so this website is from Spanish, Spain website. It's a Spanish website. So all you need is to go to the section where it says filter and select your language that you want over here. So I can select the language that I want right over here, and then hit on login. The sign up process is very simple. I don't have to bore you with the sign up process. I know each and every one of you have been online can sign up to this platform. Is basically very simple to sign up. So I'll go to the section where it says login, and then log into my account to show you step by step how you can promote all this offer. And the reason why I'm saying this platform is the best and the easiest way of making money online as an affiliate marketer through sports betting. All right, so let me log in to my account right over here. I've already linked everything, and I have to link log into my account. So All right, so you can see I've already have $20 in my account, right? And then I can go to this section of campaigns, right? Um to the campaign section. I have to select the offers that are available in my country. Yes, so this offer is also available. I'm approved. I can promote this offer, but for now I just have to focus on the offers that are available in my country or in my territory. So I will search for only Africa. The reason why I love promoting African product brands is that it's very easy to get people to sign up through your link, and then whenever they get to that, they can also make deposit through that. So you can see, to keep earning monthly commission, you need to promote campaigns regularly. Players typically generate commission for about 6 months. So bringing in new players each and every month keeps your CPA and rev share active. Some brands may stop paying commissions if affiliates are inactive for too long. So that is that. So this is the rev share. Rev share is that, so the per sale session, if somebody deposits, you are going to make 25% of that, and then after that you're going to make $55 as a CPA campaign for promoting that. So somebody may ask, how can I get everything that I need to know about this? So I can click on this get review over here. I can get everything that I need from these people over here to know much about them before I'll go ahead to promote them. So you can see, this is the promotional details that I need to know before I go out there to promote. They are into 5 pages, so I'm not going to waste much of your time. So how can you promote? All you need is to click on show banners over here, and what you're going to do is that you can copy any of these links. The targeted links is over here. You can click on any of the links. So this is the banner code. I can copy that and then go ahead to promote the offer for that. So the banner code is that, and then this is the referral code, right, that I need to send to people for them to click and then sign up to my account. So the banner name, logo, and everything. So this is the targeted link that I need to use, and I can also go ahead to use the banner code over here. So these are the things that you need to know much about that before you go ahead to promote anything. So what you need to also focus is the report section, and then go to this section where it says raw links over here. So raw links talks about you, the offers that are available to you guys, and then I will leave the link to this website in the description below. All you need is to click on the link and then to take you to this platform, and you need to join as an affiliate, and you can also make money online. This is not a platform that you are going to pay amount of money before you can join them. No, they are basically free. All you need is your data and then your device that you are going to use. All right, so what you need right now is to add your channel. So you type in add channel right over here to add the social media platform that you want to add over here. So after doing that, you have to add over here. So let's take it that you want to add like Facebook, and then I click on add over here. So it's going to add my Facebook over here. So what I need is to come to this session, copy the code is over here, and then this is the action. So I can add as much as I want over here. So when advertising affiliate link, you can track using these channels, and then you see over here. So if I want to promote any offer, what I need to do is to go to the section where it says raw links over here, and then filter out, or I can click on this funnel button and then go to this targeted country and then go to channels. I can have to refresh everything to see whether you can see this is the Facebook over here. So I can just go ahead by using that to promote anything that I want to promote. But right after that, what you need to do, this is the payment method, how to set up your payment method on this platform. So with the payment, all you need is to select the cryptocurrency. I think cryptocurrency is very common, unlike PayPal and other um payment systems. PayPal is not available in Ghana, so I will not advise anybody using that to use PayPal. it's not available in Ghana yet. They are still talking about that to accept Ghana as a paper country, but it's not yet confirmed. So do not use paper, use cryptocurrency. I think most of you are having Binance. You can just go ahead by signing up to Binance, and then you get your crypto wallet. So what can you do to make money with this platform? All you need is to go to the campaign section right over here, and then you can see this is the platform that you have to promote. So you can review the banner and the videos, everything over here, and the terms and conditions are also available here. So most of you have to read the terms and conditions. So the payment terms only pays when the person is validated. So when the person creates an account, you have to deposit money into the account for them to know that it's a very good person, or the person is a very active customer. So you just have to, all these platforms, all these ad over here are also having their own ways of uh accepting their rules and regulations. So you don't have to compare somebody's rule to some other people's rule. So you can just go ahead by filter out by Africa if you're in Africa, and it works worldwide, so you don't have to worry about that. So let me search for Africa over here, and then they are going to bring the offers that are available in Africa. So some of them you have to apply. I've already applied to these three. That's the reason why they are showing that. So this bet 22 bet is paying me for $10 if I get people to sign up to their account. So I just promoted these two. I got two people to sign up just for trial. That's the reason why I got that $10 $20, sorry, in my account. So you can also go ahead by promoting that, as simple as that. So people are going to ask, how will you be able to promote that? All you need is to go to this session, just allow it to load, and then you can see this is the how it looks like. So come to this session where it says I selected my channel, and then go to, I can add any of the code, and I hit on apply over here. So the link was is going to change for me. So let's wait for it to load. But while it's loading, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So it's still loading, it's still loading, it's still loading. So let's wait for it to load, and it's going to bring everything that the changes that we are doing right now out. All right, so it has just refreshed, but I'm still waiting for it to confirm everything so that we'll continue with that. All right, so this is how the ad code looks like. So this is how the codes looks like. So what you need to do is to hit on copy banner over here, or I can continue to use any of these codes over here, the direct links over here, to see whether it's going to work perfectly for us. So let's copy, and then go open another tab or another browser right over here. So I'll go to another browser and then paste it, and then access that link to see whether it's going to bring up all this bet22 registration over here. So you can see it has popped up the bet22 registration form. So let's check whether we are going to make money online. So I'm not trying to confuse you with self-clicking over here. It's not like that, but I'm just going to do a trial for you guys to know whether it's legit, this platform is legit or not. So it's still loading. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, guys, so this is the registration form over here. This is the registration form. You just have to type in your phone number, confirmation from the SMS that you are going to get, and then click on this, enter your password, and then promotional. If you don't have one, you can just leave it, and then as simple as that. You have to go ahead with that. All right, so this is how we promote any offer that you want on this platform. I will leave the link to this platform in the description below. All you need is to click on that in the pin comment section. Check over there to click on this link, and then you're going to join this platform over here. And quick as that, you can also make money online through this affiliate marketing using this sports betting technique that I've showed you right now. What you need to do to promote this will be shown in the next video. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and then turn notification bell. And if you want to make money online, make sure to check any of these videos up there to learn much about how to make money online. See you in my next video. Stay safe and then peace out.